Hello! We're doing some white chocolate chip cookies today. So I've got my bowl, big bowl to start off with, and butter. So I've got 125 grams of butter, salted or unsalted, doesn't really matter, whatever you prefer. So I put that in the microwave for 30-second increments. And got my sugars to go next recipe. Got an egg there, one egg. Flour as well, that's 150 grams of self-raising flour. Okay, so with the butter you just want to have it melted so it's easily whisk-upable in the bowl. So that's all melted there, 30 seconds all you need. So pouring that in the bowl. So yeah, that's the butter in the bowl. So now I'm going to be creaming the butter and the sugar. So I've got, what's that? That's 150, that's 150 grams of light brown sugar. And that's 50 grams of white granulated sugar, so I've put them in. Okay, so that's your butter and sugars, so you're going to cream them up now. Got my hand whisk from the 1970s, it's very old, it still works. Alright, so that's on. Whisk that up. Do that for a couple of minutes, just so it's all nice and fluffy. I'll put that on a bit of a higher speed. Come back to you in a minute when it's done. That's all whisked up. So next put in the one egg. There. And then give our mix. fluffy. That's 150 grams of self-raising flour. Mix that one in. I don't need to add any baking soda or baking powder because the self-raising flour will sort that all out for me. I'll make the cookie spread. We haven't got any vanilla essence. You can add this vanilla essence for flavour as well if you like. But yeah, so what we're looking to do is get the dough all incorporating together and mixing around. And I'm going to add my 200 grams of white chocolate chunks. Make sure that's all well incorporated. Lovely. Okay. That's looking good. What I should do is leave this dough overnight to help all the flavours mix in, but I'm very impatient, so I won't be doing that. Okay. Got 2 prepared baking trays with some parchment paper. So what I'll do next, get a metal spoon and then get a nice big tablespoon size, and then plonk, good term, on the tray. Make sure they're well spread out on the tray. So I'm going to do 6 of those. So yeah, it's that. I could do a tray of 6. So this tray is probably about, I don't know, 13 inches by about, I don't know, 7 or 8 I suppose, something like that, my standard baking tray. So I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees, which I think is about 375 Fahrenheit, I think. So yeah, I can put those in the oven and that's it. Show you the results later. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.